Page 37, this is a theme from Haydn's Trumpet Concerto. For B-flat trumpet, I hate to repeat all that junk I just said in the previous lesson, so if you want to review transposing B-flat instruments, go watch that video, at least part of it. However, I'll lightly cover what we're doing here. The point is, you have different instruments, and their C's are not the same as the C on a piano. Basically, that's what it gets down to. So whenever you're going to try and play music with them, you got to make the music match, because the written music isn't going to. And so you transpose it. Here we have one sharp in the key signatures, either in G major or E minor. If we look at the end, we are on G. I'm guessing we're in G major. Okay, that's for the trumpet. So the trumpet sees these notes and plays them according to them. But if I were to play along with the trumpet, it would not be these notes on the piano. It would not sound good if I played these notes at the same time as the trumpet, and they're reading those notes. It's just, no, it doesn't work. It has to come down. So a B-flat instrument, when they play a C, any C, on the piano it is a B-flat. Okay, that's why it's called a B-flat instrument. So their C is the piano's B-flat. It's a whole step lower. So I have to transpose all of this down a whole step. Well, the first thing I do is transpose the key signature. So from G major, I'm going to go down a whole step to F. So I'm going to do it in F major, one flat. This way I don't have to worry about sharps and flats and is a black key or white key. I'm just going to play in the key of F major. That is all white keys except the B's. B flats, that's it. Otherwise they're all white keys. Now I can just read the notes down one step. So instead of a D, it's a C. Instead of a G, it's an F. And instead of a C, it's a B flat, because there's a B flat in F major. So that's all I'm doing. I'm just transposing every note down a whole step. And these are the pitches you would hear if a trumpet were to play it and read those notes in the music. You would hear these pitches. That way you can play along with them if you want, and it doesn't sound like junk, hopefully, assuming you play okay. Now we have an accidental there in the middle of the second line. So now it's a C, but now it's going to be a C sharp. Because it's a D, I'm going down a step and then I'm going to sharp it. So it's a C sharp. That's basically what the pitches you would hear if a trumpet or a clarinet were to play these notes. A B-flat instrument were to play these notes. And it may not be in this octave. There may be some other, we don't worry about the octave so much as the pitch in the music. That's what we're after. So let me know if you have any questions. If they point out a breath mark, you see the little commas there. That's common for wind instruments. We don't get them so much in piano, although we do see that symbol sometimes in piano or violin or whatever, because we breathe. But a wind instrument, sometimes the music will tell them when to breathe, and that's simply tell them, breathe here. So it's here. Breathe. Just cut the half note a little bit short so you can take a quick breath. It's like a new phrase, like taking a breath. Yeah. Some music will tell you when to breathe and some don't. You get to figure it out on your own, or that's what teachers are for. They're good at telling you when to breathe or when not to. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask me, or better still, ask your teacher.